Hello friends, welcome to St. Thomas School, Class 4, Chapter 2, Year to Year. Dear students, in this chapter we are getting knowledge about the ears of different animals and insects, birds, reptiles and mammals. Please note down that these all words are used for animal in this lesson. So, we shall call all the things, all the words related as animals. You can see in the first picture who has got my ears. You can see that there are some intertransfer of the ears. Elephant ear is transferred to the giraffe. Giraffe have a long ears. Elephant have a short ears. These animals are looking very funny, right? The artist has drawn wrong ears on the head of the animals. We have to describe table wise where it is given in the textbook. I shall send you PDF for that. Write down the correct answer for rabbit, mouse, giraffe, dog, buffalo and deer. Next point is different animals have a different kind of ears. Among the animals given below, which one has ears that you can see and which one you cannot see? So here there are two color tables given. One is pink table where you have to note down animals whose ears you cannot see, and yellow table animals whose ear you can see. That also I am going to give you the answer in a PDF form. If you note down your observation, you can write as a homework task at your home. At the end of the lesson, I shall give you more details. Next point is some pictures are given there of the birds. Then they have asked the question that really they do not have ears or not. Can you see their ears or not? They all have ears, even though we cannot see them. They have asked us a question, why? Dear students, the real answer is that they have ears but we cannot see. They use their in the different terminology in the term of science. Some are using their own sense also, then they are behaving. Next point, find out some other animals which have ears that we cannot see. Write their names. In read and write points, one animal you have to note down with their special characteristic, such as the ears is like a fan, ears is like a leaves, ears on the top of it hats, ears on the both side of hat. Then you can see that you know very well ears help us to hear. In the some animal you can see the ears, in some you cannot. We cannot see a bird ears. Birds have a tiny holes on the both side of their head. The same picture you have to observe here, which is given up. Then you can observe that as tiny holes will be there. From there they can hear. Now next come to the main point. Birds have a tiny holes and the holes are covered with the feathers. With this they help the bird to hear. If you look very carefully, you will see tiny holes on a lizard head. These are its ears. A crocodile also has ears like this, but we cannot see them very easily. Now next point, match the animals shown here with the picture of their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin and picture of animals. Students, this is my homework task for you in the textbook, and if you do not have a textbook, then do not do now. Later on we shall complete in the classroom. Our next point is a one table where you have to tick mark. For example, our first animal is goat. Ears can be seen, then you have to tick mark. If it is can be seen, cannot be seen, then leave the space. Has hair on skin, then tick mark. If there is a skin, because you have to tick mark by the speciality of that particular animal. Goat doesn't have the feathers on the skin, so their tick mark will not come. Similarly, this is also a homework task. If you can do it, you please finish it. Next period we shall talk more about the further, and I shall send you PDF also for this. Thank you.